chassis team is using our old robot Andromeda to test the stability of the totes stacked up all the way to 5. And we are also making cow catchers to push the noodles out of the way, because if you drive over them, they'll get destroyed. And then next, we're going to test driving over the ramps.
Today we started the day by deciding what we were going to do prototyping and setting all the sub-teams off to do what they need to do. And we had all the student leaders meet up at about 11 to talk about responsibilities, plans for our future, what we're doing week by week, and setting up a total schedule so that everyone can see it and publish it on the website.
So today we are designing the manipulator system that will bring the totes in on the inside of the chassis and raise them up and put them on top of each other, creating a stack. And we're building some prototypes right now, and we're going to test to see which design is the best.
And so today the programming team's been getting the new chassis ready for testing so that we all can have our potential Mecanum drive working and getting that for the chassis team. And we've been installing new software so that we can actually program once the season comes along.
Okay, hi, I'm part of the external upper chassis team, and we have been building a prototype of a robot. So I have been drilling some holes and cutting pieces of wood to help put together our arm.
I met with Ashley to discuss ideas for the chairman's video, and I just emailed the rest of my team so that they could provide feedback on which idea they want.
So for fabrication, we split into 2 groups, internal and external, and we helped design prototypes and built all the parts and helped out different teams that needed help.
Alright, so today I've been working on photos and videos. I've been taking pictures for the team, and especially in the drive area. And so I've also been working in the above chassis area, helping come up with the designs and building the prototypes. And I've also been working at Dropbox, uploading my photos and videos and editing them.
So we did a teleconference with the Lambots and the East English Village Bulldogs. We discussed strategy and design concepts, and I also did prototyping of different types of grippers to see what works.
Today I went and sat in on the business plan meeting to get some more information from them about what we need for the marketing open house that we're hosting. And I also sat in on the strategy meeting so that I'd have a better idea of what needs to be on the scouting sheets to help the team strategize to fit the robot design.
So I worked on the Mecanum drive today. Before it was working, but there was some dead zone issues on the joysticks. And we got rid of the dead zone issues today, and it's a lot more drivable. And there are also some current issues. The robot would draw too much current, and we restricted that in software. So we accomplished what we wanted today. Also, I'm installing updates for Eclipse on my laptop, and we got the new first chassis wired up and working today.